How to fix Zangi group chat not loading. Having trouble with your Zangi group chat not loading. It can be frustrating, right? Let's go through a few simple steps that can usually help to fix this. First thing, let's check the basic. Is your internet connection stable? Group chat need a good connection to pull up in all those messages. Try opening the web page or another app to see if it loads properly. If your connection is quick or spotty, try switching to the Wi-Fi if you are on the mobile data or vice versa. Let's go to the Zangi app first of all, and maybe with the group. And here you can see my group. Okay, if the connection looks fine, next let's give the Zangi itself a quick refresh. Sometimes the app just needs a quick restart. Close your Zangi app completely, don't minimize it, actually close it from your recent app list. Then open it up again, see if your group chat loads now. Still not loading, let's make sure your Zangi app is updated. Developer releases the update to fix the bugs and improve performance. If you are using Android, simply go to the Google Play Store, and if you are using iPhone, simply go to the App Store and search Zangi over there. And then after searching it, you will be taken to the results section, and you can see Zangi is right here in my results section. Now simply tap on it, and here there's only an option for uninstall and open. That means I'm using the latest version of the Zangi. And if you are using the older version, you might see an option for update in the place of open, which is right over here. And if there's an update button, simply tap on it and update it. Once updated, open the Zangi again and check the group chats. If none of these steps work, a simple phone restart can often work wonders. Turn your phone off completely, wait for the 10-15 seconds, and then turn it back. After your phone boots up, open the Zangi and see if the group chats are loading normally. Hopefully, one of these steps solved the issue for you. And lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.